So now we're here with the dandelion. I'm here with the dandelion. Look at this. Mm. Mm. Eating from mama nature. Mm. This is what we talk about, live food. This is beautiful. I'm eating like the goat. I'm eating like the cow. Mm? I'm not eating the cow. I'm not eating the goat. I go in the sea and I eat the seaweed. I don't eat the fish. I eat what the fish eats. So enough of processed food, man. Look at the seed, the young pod. Mm? They're beautiful and mm, mm, mm. This is what I'm talking about, people. See, eating from the fountain of youth. Mm, mm, mm. Beautiful. This is YAYA Health. Heal thyself 101. We're always here bringing you the best. Dandelion. Yes, this is a dandelion. Look at it. It's so beautiful. This is a wild dandelion. This species is a bit different from the other ones in other places, but trust me, it's medicinal. It is medicinal. Look at the little, look at the cat. This is a dandelion, and today we're gonna cut. We're just gonna cut it right here. We're gonna have some of the seeds because this is how I make the extract. I make the extract with the root, the leaf, the bloom, and the seeds. This is the young seeds, and it's best to catch it at this time where it's potent. It has all the medicinal properties in there. So this is why pharmaceutical couldn't commercialize herbalism because there's not a lot of people out there with integrity that's gonna wait and be patient to reap herbs and for the medicinal benefit. So when you order herbs from us, tonics, tinctures, tea bags, just be assured you're getting the highest quality at all time. Time is involved. The love is involved. We give thanks to the plants all days, every time before we actually take from it, because it's actually a life that is giving you something. So give thanks to the dandelion. Here you are, folks. Yeah. Heal thyself 101. Here with you, man, on this journey. So now we have the dandelion root, dandelion leaf, dandelion seed, and the dandelion flower in one place. Now this is what we're gonna use and make a magnificent blood tonic, a magnificent dandelion liquid extract, that you can use to help heal thyself. Talk about the kidney, nourishing the kidney. We are talking about cleaning the blood. We are talking about UTI, the urinary tract. We are talking about the bladder. If you have pain urinating, dandelion. This is food. Heal thyself 101. Yes, here's them there. See there? Looking at the back. Yes, I am. Bingo, though. Yeah, man. I'm say, you have to look good because them tends to like underneath, very conspicuous and disguise a lot. Okay. And of course, you know why them call it duck plant? Because it's shaped like a duck. It's another pretty one right here. Yeah. Underneath. So we're gonna get a couple more. Watch there. You see that? Look at that. Underneath. Yeah, man. I'm hiding underneath. Duck plant. Yeah. Heal thyself 101. Yeah, man. We're up on the hunt, man. See the duck flower. See duck flower. The thing real. See, so this way I go bite and cha cha and eat. No, they said this because shit out your tripe and another joke. See, people vomit when they eat this. See, and so when you talk about a laxative, diuretic, you talk about serious moving the gunk and the toxins out of the colon, the 10 pound, the 15 pound, this is it. Some people, guess what? We have Guinea in here. See, the whole heap of duck flower. Pretty all over the place. See, Virgin tell me say blood waste. We can't get whole heap of herbs. I might talk. People will love it. Rain a come, we're gonna pick some more of this duck plant. This is YAYA heal thyself 101. We in the bush. And that's how we're there. In the bush, we not touch. Yes, people. Listen me. This is YAYA heal thyself 101. Look on Guinea. So, but come for the corkscrew, the mandrakes, you know, that that is another herb we put in the colon cleanse. And we found, well, and we found, we find Guinean. See, this is all Guinean people. See, you know about the Guinean. Well, only part why I show you, but hmm? See, and the Guinean. So look, the Baskelly and Pangrong. All that. See, Saint Elizabeth were there. No? Look, all right. Look, pan. Hmm? What them here? Duck plants, duck flower. Rain a come, but them say look out for the wasp them too. Have a look out for the wasp them. But people, the thing is real, the thing is live. Yeah, yeah. Hear thyself for no one with up on the hunt. As you can see, them burn the place, they burn up. No, it was a lot here, but I still managed to see a couple. I can see this is one, this is another. See the seeds? Yeah, the seeds is highly nutritional too and beneficial. I look underneath here, see another one. So you see why it look why you call it duck plant. Yeah man, yeah, yeah. Heal thyself 101. We go on the hunting for these things. See, I never find the corkscrew. See, the person who get me the corkscrew, the mandrakes, you know, she got a funeral, but hey, we find the duck plant today. And we're gonna take some duck plant and we're gonna bring it. We're gonna bring it back to the factory and we're gonna put it in the medicine. We're gonna dry some and yeah man, something. Heal thyself. See some baby duck. So guess what? I just stop at a place and I'm looking at some duck plant. See? They burn, as you can see, they burn the place up. But see there, duck plant, folks, duck plant. Me know when I hear about this duck plant for all these years and thing, but hey, a lot of people when them take it, them vomit out them tripe and shit out everything in them intestine. And that's what we talk about. Detoxification. We want people to empty the intestine, the large intestine, empty the colon because there's a lot of trap feces in the colon. And a lot of time people walking around with 10 pounds in them belly. And guess what? This cause issues on their spine. And they're thinking that, all right, they're having backache and inflammation causing by all these other things. But it's just feces. Feces heavying down the body. Too much feces resting on the spinal cord. So this is why we are here. Uh, so we're gonna wait and see how much duck plant to get for the day. Plus I got some more because I even the seeds that see there are some Guinean I got today. And I've actually on the way up I got me some corkscrew. So the day was great. We had an event today and we never get to go at the event because the rain, I was wondering about the rain, but nevertheless, okay. So on the scale, it looked like 2.5 pound of duck plant, duck flower. That is heavy in this time. So weekend again, we on the herb hunting. We give thanks, man. Greetings. Yeah, man. This is Yaya L on the journey. Heal thyself 101, the herb journey. It's a pleasure to bring you along this wonderful journey. So today was the journey with the duck plant or the duck flower, and trust me, Some know say things mystical because the rain, the rain cease entirely around I and I. And this is no joke. About an hour, remember I'm telling you, say, yo, the rain a come, let me hurry up. See, and in about an hour it took me to deal with this much. Look at it. Duck, flower. See, in about an hour it took me, probably a little bit more, but when I finish, because my son 7 was like, yo, daddy, come now. And I finally moved. The rain started to fall, and trust me, the rain was falling all along, right around me. See, right around me was dry. So we give thanks to the energy and the powers. But it show you when your ancestors, them, when the gods, them a work with you, them a work with you. But it's a pleasure. So I had other plans today, but hey, we give thanks, man. This is the highest plan. We find some dog plant, and guess what? It's a lot. This look like, yeah, if I should wear this, probably about, it's more than 5 pounds of duck plant, duck flower. See that? Yeah, yeah, heal thyself 101. That we are saying. Healing is in the herbs, and the herbs is the healing. So we give thanks for the duck plant, for the duck flower today. Today is a wonderful day. Peace and wellness. This is YAYA again. Heal thyself 101. We're on the journey. Folks, a while ago, I'm telling you, I couldn't even bring you on this. I couldn't even bring you in on the tree. I had to climb the tree because, today, as I say, it's cleaning time and we want to. I'm in St. Elizabeth, by the way. See, so I left from Manchester, come to St. Elizabeth because I came to get some corkscrew and some duck plant because I have a little spot down here where I know where they at. But I, I had to climb the tree a while ago, and trust me, listen me, years I haven't been up in a tree, especially after my accident. But as I say, the duck plant was at the top of the Neesberry tree. My son 7, he didn't want to come and film it, but I couldn't bring the phone up there. But guess what? Lucky for you, no? Today, I found some more because there's a lot around here. Man, the roots of the dandelion, if you look at it, it have the vein, the vessel, the blood vessels, arteries. It's no different from what the human construct basically is made up of. As above, so below, as within, so out. So we have to make the link with nature and see us as one and a relationship with the herbs, the trees, everything around us. Therefore, we wouldn't do things to harm anything or anyone to speak. And this is what we're talking about. Yaya's Heal Thyself 101. We don't have to eat the animal. Look at this. We're having the pear leaf. And you're amazed what the pear leaf is good for. And it tastes like the avocado, really and truly. So as above, so below, as within, so is out. These trees, they're not about just their fruit alone. So what I'm telling you in this short moment is that there is no the illusion of famine, of scarcity. It's not real. Everything here can be eaten. This right here, even if you don't eat it raw, you can steam it. It is food, it's nutritious. The same thing you get in the avocado, you're getting in the leaf. Yeah, heal thyself 101. All right, folks. Going through the garden. This tree here is another wonderful fruit. It's rare. Yeah, man. It's a fruit that we call it governor plum. I have a big one over there as well. Governor's plum is another fruit out of the country, out of the continent of Africa. Panganut coming, passion. You know, avocado. I don't know what's wrong with them, but hey, in due season, they will come. I have a lot of citrus tree about the place. We have some of the most nicest guava in the garden. I'm talking about big like a grapefruit. Yes, this is another tree, the custard apple. Man, we have mustard leek. So I was talking about how important it is. This is the pear. See, this is a young pear leaf, and mm, so again, even we can edible. That's what we're talking about. But it's good to look at the colors. That's what I'm talking about. Nature. See, this is when they're most potent. This is when they have the most medicinal component in it. And the pear seed, we can talk about that later, but this is one of my main ingredients and one of my number one disease reverse in medicine, the pear seed.
Get yours today at jamaicahealthbox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106. Email us at info@jamaicahealthbox.com.